Hello everyone. Today I am here to discuss about the belt drive. I am Dr. Irshad Ahmed Khan from Mechanical Engineering Department, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal. So belt drive is used to transmit the power from one shaft to the another shaft. So let's say this is a typical belt drive. You can say this is a pulley and this is a belt. And here the driving pulley is attached with the this backside of the tractor, and this system is very much used where the electricity is not available, and this system belt drive can be used for flour mill, for oil mill, or any other uh, things where we require some rotational motion at the output. So that simple definition of I am also the this is drive belt drive. So belt क्या है? What is the belt? Belt is a flexible mechanical element that transmits power from one side to another side. Okay, so in a belt drive, belt is used or key element to transmit the power. And mean of power transmission: gear train, chain drive, belt drive, or rope drive. So in gear train has been widely used. You can say the automobile or different engines. Chain drive used in a bicycle, motorcycle. Belt drive is used in the rice mill. Swing machine you can might be seen in the oil mill, on floor mill. Rope drive is used in lift, crane, etc. So one thing is that the rope drive has been used where the distance between the two pulleys are more than 8 meters. This can be used, and the restriction for that basically in the belt drive, it can't be distance between the two shafts can't be more than 8 meters. So belt drive and power transmission, you can see the sewing machine. Typically, you can see here is a belt drive we are using. So belt drive, so you can say the amount of power transmitted by the belt is depend on velocity of the belt. What is the velocity of the belt is very much depend on that. The tension in the belt, arc of contact between the belt and a smaller pulley, and condition under which the belt is used. So these some parameter, it's affecting the amount of power transmitted by belt drive. Belt drive selection criteria. So very much some these criterias are we are seeing while selecting the belt drive. The speed of driving and driven power to be transmitted, that simply means what how much power is need to be transmit to the driven shaft. That condition is very much required. Positive drive requirement, space available, it is also very much important, and speed reduction ratio, and the center distance between the two shafts. As I already discussed, if the distance is too much, more than 8 meters, so we are using the rope drive. So shaft layout and service conditions. So all these are the you can say some criteria we are using while selecting the belt drive. Types of belt you can see flat belt drive. Very much you have seen in the floor mill. This type of the this is a flat belt that has been used, and the V belt. This V belt is also used, but the condition is that when the distance between the two shafts is uh, not too much, or but it gives you can get the more power. In this case, there is great, you can get more positive power, you can say, in the circular belt drive. Okay, so in circular belt drive, we can say that this is also you can get the more power, but you can also get the one liability to be if the distance between the shaft is more. So you can use the round belt or circular belt. Belt material. According to the material used in the belt are classified: leather belt, cotton fabric belt, rubber belt, or balata is one kind of material. It is look like a rubber, except balata gum is used in the place of rubber. That's some different kind of a material are available. So these are the belt material mostly used. And type of belt drive: open belt drive and cross belt drive we have. So in open belt drive, you can see the belt are wrapped on the pulleys like this, and in output pulley, or you can in driven shaft, and driving shaft direction is the same. You can see if it is rotating clockwise, so it is also rotating in the clockwise direction, and this is one is the top view of that. And one more thing you can see, when it is rotating the clockwise direction, so downside of the belt, this become tight side, and upside become the slack side. If it is rotating in the anti-clockwise, so this will become tight side and this becomes slack side. Okay, so next category is types of belt: cross belt drive. So in the cross belt drive, you can see the wrapping between the pulley, the belt is in the cross kind of thing. But one thing is, you can see the direction of output, or you can direction of driven pulley, it is opposite of the driving pulley. So here the driving pulley rotating in the clockwise and driven pulley is rotating in the anti-clockwise direction. So whenever we require the opposite direction powers in the driven pulley, so we can make this arrangement opposite direction. Okay, so a step or cone pulley, basically this has been used to changing the speed of the driven shaft while main shaft run at a constant speed. So uh, we can shift the belt in different pulleys. There is the 3 pulleys arrangement is there. So in this way we can get the change in speed on the different pulley. So that is all about the belt drive. What is the belt drive? What is the belt? Different type of the belt. We have a belt material also discussed, and belt drive arrangement also we have discussed. So this about the belt drive. Thank you so much for attending this lecture.